evaluate expressions, we are given x plus y to evaluate when x is 2/3 and y is 3/7. So let us plug it here. I have x is 2/3 and y is 3/7. You can go with the common denominator concept, but I will do like this. 3 times 7 is 21, and multiply cross. 7 times 2 is 14, plus 3 times 3 is 9. So you get 23/21. So that's the value of this x plus y, which is 23/21. Simple addition of fractions. The second one we have now 3x plus 1/7, where x is 1/8. So we write 3, replace your x by 1/8, and then write 1/7. So you are getting a fraction again, 3/8 plus 1/7. So we multiply denominators, or you can use common denominator. So you get 7 times 8, 56. 3 times 7 is 21, plus 1 times 8 is 8. So you get 29/56. So that's the answer for number 2. So you are getting 29/56. Next, number 3. So let's see what we have in number 3. We have 7x minus 5y. X is 1/3. Plug it like this. 7 times 1/3 minus 5 times 1/4. Now we are getting, with the multiplication rule, 7 times 1 is 7/3. Minus 5 times 1 is 5/4. Our common denominator in this case, multiply together, is 12. 7 times 4 is 28, minus 3 times 5 is 15. So I'm getting 13/12. So that's my answer for the third one, which is 13/12. We write like this. You don't have to convert this one to mixed form. Next, we'll be working on simplify expressions. The first one, you have 2x plus 3 times x minus 4 plus 20. So how we do that? We just write 2x. Let me write on this side. So I'm writing 2x, then plus 3 times x plus 3 times -4, as you see here, plus 20. So then we are getting 2x plus 3x minus 12 plus 20. Now we add the like terms. 2x and plus 3x will be 5x. And then -12 plus 20, or other way you can say 20 minus 12, which is plus 8. So then your answer is 5x plus 8. So that's the simplified form of the expression we have. So in this case, you can consider 3 expressions, 1, 2, 3. So we combine it to one expression. The next one is very similar. So we have first 2x, and then we'll distribute 4 to 2x and plus 4 to -1, then -6 to x, and then -6 to 2/3. Now what happens in here? Further simplification gives you 2x plus 8x minus 4 minus 6x. Now this one is a -6 times 2 is 12/3. So this one is basically 4. So -4. Now when you simplify further, you have 2x plus 8x is 10x. And then you can combine this one also with the -6x. -4 will give you -8. So then you can further simplify. 10x minus 6x is 4x minus 8. So your answer is done. But if you want to factor out something, you can do that. And in the next part, I will discuss it in detail. So we'll factor out 4, which is actually the GCF of 4x and 8. So if you factor out 4, you have just x. And then divide 8 by 4, you get a 2. And that is your simplified form in factor form. Thanks. factoring expressions. So you have 3y minus 36. We have two terms here, 3y and 36. 3 is multiplied with y, and we can find the GCF of 3 and 36, which will be 3, as you know. So this 3 can factor out. When you divide 3y by 3, you get just y. Divide 36 by 3, that gives you 12. So then 3 times y minus 12, this is your factor form of the expression. In here, this 3 is my GCF. So GCF always will factor out. Look at the next one. You have 4x and you have 14ax. So you can see x I can factor out, and also from 4 and 14 I can take 2. So you get 2x. If you divide 4x by 2x, you just have 2. Minus, divide 14 by 2, that gives you 7. X is already there, so I have a. So this is called factoring.